What's up, guys? So for today's video, we are going to react to Stel Ahero Stel Room Dance Practice. Wala na akong masabi, guys. I can't wait. I'm super excited na makita yung dance practice. If hindi niyo pa napapanood yung reaction ko to this lyric video and music video, and as well as the teasers, you can check the link in the description below. Yeah, I can't wait to see this dance practice kasi mga onti-onti lang mga dance moves na nakita natin dun sa sa music video, and dito is the straight up dance practice. It's straight up dance, you know. Honestly, very sexual yun. So let's go. Yo, by the way, big shoutout dyan sa partner ni Stel, kay Ira Kasim. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko din? And also, guys, thank you for letting me know her name. Sa mga nag-comment, thank you so much. Ang ganda lang visuals niya, guys. You know, like, as a dancer, she's really good. Grabe yung pagkakahawak doon, ah. Wait lang, isa pa nga. Bro, the way she stares. It's like, alam mo yung parang, siguro makakailang take ka eh, no? Kung ikaw. Bro, the way she stares. Bro, matutunaw ka talaga eh, no? Kung hindi ganito tumingin yung girlfriend nyo sa inyo, naku, ewan ko na lang. Di joke lang. Grabe yung pagkakapitik dun ng tuhod. Like, alam mo yun? Ganun. Napaka-catchy, ganun. Oh, smooth. Wait. But may partner na ng iba si Ira. Di joke lang. But may partner ng iba yung partner ni Stel kanina. By the way, guys, gusto ko lang din i-acknowledge, guys. Like, guys, tingnan nyo, guys, naka-heels siya. Like, alam mo yun? Napakahirap yan. Like, magsasayaw ka na ganyan yung sapatos mo. Like, napakahirap niyan. Actually, siya rin yung naiba dito eh. Yung iba kasi flat eh. Hey, ho!
Wow, hey!
Oh my God, wait, ba't nilabas niya ba yung dila niya dun? Nilabas niya ba yung dila niya dun? Oh, oh my God! I know, all the dancers know, like, napagaling nilang lahat, as in. Oh,
say less.
alright. Hey, yo, wag mo sabihin sasayawan si Stel dito. Dance break, alright. Hey, galing na. Kala ko di yun kasama sa actual dance. Actually guys, in-expect ko na lang yun like pang like just creativity ng music video for ganun. Actually kasama din pala yun. Napaka-crucial nun guys, especially if magko-concert sa Style, like baka kasi like I'm just concerned like alam mo yun. Baka kasi magkamali siya ganun or matumba siya dahil doon. Especially kung lalo na kung madulas yung yung floor ng yung stage like Hey! Yo. Ano yung style? Tingnan niyo si Style, guys, yung kamay niya. Oh, siya pa rin yung babae pala. Like, yung ginaganon niya sa music video. Akala ko sa ibang babae. Wait, kala ko lang, like, akala ko lang pang music video lang yung ganito. Kasama din pala siya sa dance practice. Oh, okay. Bro, the way Style grabs her hips, bro, like. Grabe talaga yung pagkakapitik ng tuhod. Yun pala yung last step. Like, alam mo yun, parang sinira yung pinto. Iba na yung feeling ko dito kay Style sa kanya. Sa lahat ng mga dancer, parang ito yung pinili ni Style, no? Style ba namili? Di joke lang. Pero actually, super, lahat sila magaling. Okay. And she got this visuals, you know. Pero pag gagawin to ni Style sa concert or to any shows na ito yung ending, ewan ko na lang, no? Anong reaction dito ng mga berries? Style berries or ng 18. Kasi dito sa mga part na ito is super like ewan ko lang, nahihirapan na sigurong makamove on dito yung 18 or yung mga berries. Ito pa kayong ending. Parang gusto ko pa siyang panoorin one time. Isa pa nga. By the way guys, i-appreciate din natin yung cameraman for this dance practice kasi napakahusay niya. Alam niya yung mga alignment, okay? Alam niya yung saan i-angle, yung mga positions. Napakagaling. Di lang si Style yung bida dito eh. Dito na part. At dito din pala. Masyadong mababa na yun. Yo. Can you read the room, guys? Ito din ba yung ginamit nila sa music video? Yung ito talagang part na to, guys. Like, alam mo yung sobrang sexy. Like, nabasag na yung meter ng kaseksiyan ng dance step. Ganda na no? Gigil na gigil, Stella. Galing na no. Ganda rin. Bang, 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 bang. Wait, by the way guys, sorry if nag-pause ako dito. Gusto ko lang tanungin sa inyo if may jowa ba si Ira or wala. Yun lang naman. By the way guys, wala akong balak guys like personally, like gusto ko lang tanungin. Okay? Like for allowing her to be in this music video. One-hand dance step. Wow. Ganda. Next guys, we have this Stella Hero performs his solo single Room live at his debut showcase. Let's go.
Don't you at least try?
Wait, ano daw? Sorry.
Try.
Wait. Hinahanap ko dito si Pablo eh. Kasi nakita ko tong video dahil kay Pablo kasi spotted daw siya dito.
Sylvester Ahero po, 28 years old, from Las Piñas City.
28.
Darling, just show us who you are.
Oh. Kala ko yung mic nila, dapat gagamitin nila sana is yung yung nasa music video, alam mo yun.
Damn it, it's so pretty, I see me blowing your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me, I don't want an ending.
Actually guys, ang ganda talaga ng song, especially if magpa-perform si Stel with live band. Kasi yung beat kasi ng kanta, like intro pa lang alam mo ng ano talaga, like maganda talaga, especially with the band, no? So I'm expecting that for Stel. Sana.
Hope you're ready, yes, that's all it takes. Listen to what I'm about to say. You'll find the answer. It's energy, it's with the day. My beats so much to take. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me blowing your body. Picture perfect, holy trembling, really. I don't wanna end. Savor every minute of it, 'cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but there's someone like that. I hate to break it to you, but there's someone like that. And now you try for another.
Napansin ko yung pagsipa, like parang Michael Jackson. Like eto na part. Ayan.
I hate to break it to you, but there's someone
Ayan.
And now you try for another guy. It's okay if you cry, but I see you smile, but I think you're way too high. Hope you come alive. Running from the shadows of the spine. Whoever found you will die. We don't need that, let us know it's place. Fade of black is now replacing. There's the only answer. This energy is within me. Or need to let you get. Daddy, it's so pretty. I see me blowing your body. Picture perfect, moving, trembling, crazy. I don't wanna leave. Savor every bit of it, 'cause we're not in a hurry. I need to break it, but if it's wrong, there's someone like that.
Grabe. Tingnan niyo yung ugat ni Stel, guys. Like, alam mo yun, grabe si Stel. High notes. Woo! May upuan ba? Oh, wala. Oh, Michael Jackson. Actually guys, like eto guys like sa tingin niyo guys, ano yung mas maganda, yung may upuan or yung walang upuan? Actually both sila maganda, pero I'm just saying na ano yung mas better. Kasi eto nakita ko like maganda din, lalo na yung pag-spin. Siguro yung pinagkaibaan lang nila is yung yung aside sa may chair tsaka walang chair, is just mas sensual kasi yung yung may chair kasi with partner yun eh.
Baby, don't you worry. As long as you're here with me, you won't take no hurt, 'cause I will be your sanctuary. If you only let me, on this great big story, we won't have to let this room decide. Can you read the room? Read the room.
Ganda. Next guys, we have this performance on All Out Sundays.
Kung si Josh Cullen ay may wild tonight, nag-launch si Felipe ng solo single na Palayo, may single na Surreal si Justin, La Luna at recently EDSA naman para kay Pablo. Finally, Stel, SB19's main vocalist, lead dancer and main choreographer, now has his first solo single. Matapos manalo ng Main Vocal of the Year in 2022 and Top Male Vocalist of the Year sa P-Pop Awards last year, at pagiging markado bilang isa sa mga bigating superstar coaches na mapapanood nyo muli sa The Voice Kids. This is your all-out exclusive pass to enter his room. Kaya mga kaayos, buksan na ang pinto ng isang panibagong kabanata with Stel.
Wait lang, natawa ko guys kasi it kinda reminded me of Bazinga. Yung nakakahon si Josh dun sa, sa like, etong steel.
As soon as I step forward and try to make myself alive, I see your eyes, they couldn't mind. Happens all the time. Then you tell me I can get you on my mind. My oh my.
My oh my.
Come and get it, let's talk about it in my room.
Babe, hope you're ready, cause I'm gonna invade. Listen to what I'm about to say. You will find the answer. This energy that's within me might be too much to take. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't
Ganda talaga nito eh. Ito guys, like ang ganda, ang ganda. Very aesthetic.
want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this world there's no one left right.
Can you read the room? Can you read the room?
I hate to break it to you, but in this world there's no one left right. And now you've tried one of a kind. It's okay if you cry, but I see you smile, but I set you way too high. Hope you come alive. Set a proud first and shine.
Oh, tinanggal niya guys.
That's how you smile, my oh my. Forever bound you and I. Space. We don't need that, let time slow its pace. Fade back, cause now we're face to face. Is the only answer. This energy that's within me will never let you go. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't wanna savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one like that.
Dance.
Bagsak mo, Stel! Napakahirap nun. Oh my god, napakahirap nun. Especially, gantong floor, like gantong stage, napakadulas. Like alam mo yun, baka kasi madulas sa Stel dun, maksidente pa.
Baby, don't you worry. As long as you're here with me, you won't take no hurt, cause I won't be your sanctuary. If you'd only let me orchestrate this story, we won't have to let this wrong. Cause I'm here every day.
Sobrang catchy talaga guys. Like yung mga pitik-pitik na yun.
Can ya? I hate to break it to you, but in this world there's no one living.
Stel! Grabe naman yun.
Alam mo,
So,
we
papanoorin pa natin tong interview guys.
definitely read the room. That was such a steamy performance. Grabe naman yun.
Na-enjoy ba kayo?
Libreng concert, mga
Grabe.
kapuso. Style of SB19 with its new solo single, Room. kwentuhan mo naman kami. Tungkol
Ano ba-
saan ba itong kwartong ito? Ano ba yung room?
Oh, interesting.
Pero
interesting.
bagay, gusto ko lang tanongin yung mga kapuso. Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa loob ng kwarto ko?
Oo eh.
Ayun. Well,
Oh, wait, umiyak si ate, guys. Umiyak siya dun.
ayun.
Wow, wow.
Well,
Tears of joy.
actually, yung room po talaga is, hindi siya yung literal na room. Ano siya, space siya, deep inside me, doon ako confident.
Ayun. Room sa puso. Ay, room sa puso.
Room sa puso.
Parang
Yung ano
ganon.
po yun, deeper
Mas malalim.
inside me. Siya yung style na nakikita nyo.
May walang particular na person na inalay mo tong kanta na to or
Para sa sarili ko po.
sarili mo?
Yeah.
At sa fans. Ayun.
Of course, we're 18.
Grabe.
Promote mo na yung single mo, Stel.
Cells room. Ayun.
Yes, sa lahat po na nakapanood ng performance ko ngayong araw, sana nagustuhan nyo po. And you can now listen my solo song, my debut song. Finally, track is out now. Listen on all streaming platform and watch the MV on YouTube. Maraming salamat po.
Grabe. Alam mo, Coach Tel, gusto ko lang sabihin, kasi pag every time na nagkakasama tayo sa The Voice Generations before, talagang pag nag-perform ka, napapanganga talaga kaming lahat.
Oo eh.
Oo.
Talaga ba?
Oo. Kaya naman, Stel, i-promote mo na yung The Voice Kids.
The Voice Kids.
Oo.
Of course.
And segue.
Yes.
Sobrang excited na rin ako for The Voice Kids at syempre makakasama ko ulit si Coach Julie. And of course, abangan nyo kung sino na naman ang mga bagong boses ng kabataan ang maririnig natin. Sino-sino sa mga batang Pinoy ang sasalang sa blind auditions. Exciting yan. Abangan nyo po yan sa The Voice Kids.
Naku, malapit na. Exciting nga. At
Yes.
again, congratulations, Stel.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Mark.
Thank you so
Salamat
much sa pagbisita sa amin ulit.
Salamat
Susunod
po.
na.
So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. And yeah, comment down below, guys, kung ano masasabi niyo sa performance na Stel sa ating mga pinanood ng mga videos. No? Super ganda talaga. Yeah, and that's it, guys. I hope you have a good day and stay safe, you all. Adios.